Over the last decade, the United States has reigned supreme in the global oil market. It's been responsible for supplying 73% of the world's incremental oil supply for the last 10 years. But those days are gone, said Citi's head of commodities research, Ed Morse, in an interview with Bloomberg. Morse was bold enough to say that the United States would not see those types of gains in the market again. And he had more troubling forecasts for the industry at large, too. OPEC may have to grapple with a new way of looking at things as well, says Morse. OPEC was playing the long game, not worrying about immediate demand or market share, and instead looking forward to future oil demand, which it assumed would be there forever. But now, Morse says, both on the supply side and on the demand side, the concept of forever demand is being challenged. Which brings us to Morse's final point of woe. Some analysts have suggested that we have already encountered peak oil demand. Morse disagrees, but told Bloomberg that it's coming. It's just a question of when. The world was on track to see 110 million barrels per day by 2030, but because of policies put in place, namely by China, the US, and Europe, that will now be 107 million barrels per day. And Citi sees policies that are currently in the works bringing that down further to 104 million barrels per day. This indicates that at least the pace of growth is slowing, and that's the first step to reaching peak oil demand, which Citi sees in the early part of next decade.